How to turn off your active on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can turn off your active on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to turn off your active on Instagram, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then basically launch your Instagram application here. Once you launch your Instagram app, what you want to do is you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you just need to tap the profile icon from the bottom right to come to your profile page. Once you come to the profile icon from the bottom right, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to tap the three lines option from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines option from the top right, just go to this option known as settings, and once you go to settings, you're going to see this type of interface again where what you need to do is you just need to go to this option known as privacy. Once you come to this privacy option, you want to simply scroll down over here. You'll find activity status. Just make sure to tap on activity status and then just turn off these toggles. Once you've turned on these toggles, no one will be able to see your active status, but at the same time you will also not be able to see other people's active status. This way you can turn off your active on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.